Hello. Welcome back to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If you are new here, welcome. Come on in and join the family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and remember the notification bell. That way you'll be reminded every time I upload a video. My name is Jenny, and on this channel I create lovely DIYs using mostly items that I find at the Dollar Tree. I try to keep my DIYs budget friendly but easy to do. I hope everyone is well, and I hope everyone is staying safe. In today's video, I am sharing with you 5 of my Christmas gift ideas using some Dollar Tree items. If you want to see what I came up with, then keep watching. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. I truly appreciate your support. I am creating 5 gift ideas using some Dollar Tree items. For this first DIY, I'll be using this basket, and I did get that from the Dollar Tree. All of these items here did come from the Dollar Tree, as well as this soft towel that I got out of the automotive section of the Dollar Tree. I have some of the decorative rope, and I will be using 2 rolls of that. The first thing I'm going to do is cover this basket, and I'm going to cut off some of this towel so I won't have so much I have to work with. What I like to do is I like to decorate my baskets that I put my little gift items in, because I always feel like you can give them a 2-in-1. You can give them a keepsake basket that they can use around the house after they use the items in the inside. So I will be doing that for all 5 of my Christmas ideas today. So I'm going to just take some hot glue, and I am going to glue this towel around this basket. And so I'm just going around adding glue and making sure that everything is tacked down, because what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take that rope and I'm going to go right on top of the towel with some hot glue, and I'm going to wrap this rope all the way around this basket. And so I'm just going to continue to glue the rope all the way around this basket until I have it covered all the way down. And you will need 2 rolls of the rope from the Dollar Tree. And this is how far the first row of rope went. And so now I'm going to start where I left off at, and I'm going to add the second rope. And it goes all the way to the bottom. So what I'm going to do is just tack that down with some glue, and I am going to cut off the extra rope. And I think this is so cute. This basket can be used for so many different things. You can put some towels in here and use it in your bathroom. I think it's cute as a gift by itself. But now I'm going to style some Dollar Tree items in here to make this a complete gift basket. And I decided that this can be a cocoa basket, and so I have some items here. I have some cocoa mix that I'm going to add to the basket, and I also have some Dollar Tree mugs. I'm going to put 2 of these in here, so this can be like cocoa for 2. And I have this cute mug that says coffee is a hug in the mug. This is so cute. And then I have another mug here, and it says get it while it's hot. That is so cute as well. And then I'm going to add some of these. Lately in my house, we've been using a lot of these little peppermint spoons that the Dollar Tree sell, and I'm just going to put 2 on the side of the mix, as well as some candy canes that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to style these inside of the cup, and I will embellish this just a little bit to give it like a little Christmas look. So I had one of these little Dollar Tree cottontail clips that I will add to this basket, and actually as a gift I'm going to keep the clip on there, because that way they can also use that too at a later date. And so here is how it looked. I think this is so cute, and it's endless what you can do with this basket around your home. I really like how this turned out, and I do have 2 of these baskets styled in my home. I just have them, I created them using the other Dollar Tree rope, but I think this one looked just as good. I'm really happy with how this turned out, and so now I'm going to get started on the next gift idea for today. And for this gift idea, I'll be using one of these little wooden crates, And I have some jute cord from the Dollar Tree, as well as this cute little greenery floral pick from the Dollar Tree. And I will be using some antique wax chalk paint. The first thing I'm going to do is paint this little crate, and then I'm going to wipe off the extra paint just so I can have that stained look. And after I get that painted, what I'm going to do is take the jute cord and I'm going to tack it down with some glue, and I am going to wrap it around the openings of this crate. So right where the opening is at, I'm taking the jute cord right around there. And then I'm just going to keep wrapping it a few times till you don't see the opening anymore. Just add some glue and cut off the extra jute cord. And I'm going to repeat that step to the next opening. Just tack it down with some glue. And I'm going to keep wrapping it until you do not see the opening again. And then I'll just cut it off and tack it down. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm now going to embellish it with a little jute cord bow. I'm just tying a simple bow. And I'm going to cut it down some, and then I'm just going to glue this bow right to the side of this little crate. And then I'm going to take that greenery floral pick, and I'm going to pull some pieces off of that pick, and I'm going to glue these down to the crate as well on the other side. And this way, when I style the little gift items in this crate, once they use the items, they can still use this crate as some decor around the home. It'll just be like a little keepsake, like a 2-in-1. And so after I add this little embellishment, then I'm going to get my items ready that I am going to put inside of this little gift basket here. And so I'm going to get my items ready that I am going to add to this little crate as a gift. And the Dollar Tree sells these Yardley soaps that I absolutely love. And they have them in different fragrance. I think these are so cute. I actually use these myself. And so this crate actually holds 3 of these soaps. And I'm just going to add all 3 boxes to this crate. And I think this is a really cute gift idea. I think this is absolutely adorable. And they can also keep this crate after they use this soap and style it some other kind of way in their home. And I definitely will be creating a few of these this year and handing some of these out because I think these are so adorable. And so I'm going to get started on the 3rd gift idea for today. I will be using another one of these crates, and I have some of these. I have 8 of these little tumbling blocks, and I also will be using some of this cork ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I also will be using some of my antique wax chalk paint. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue these tumbling blocks together. I'm just going to stack 2 on top of each other, and then I'm going to glue those 2 stacks together, and I will be creating another set of these just like that. And now I'm just going to glue these right on top of the opening at the bottom of this crate. Now you don't have to do this step. I just wanted to give this crate a little character for what I'm going to add to it. It's just like little dividers. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stain it with that chalk paint. And then now I am going to take that cork ribbon and I am going to go around the top of this crate, adding some hot glue, and I'm just going to go all the way around, tacking it down with some hot glue. And then after I get that top part tacked down, I am going to add some of this cork ribbon to the bottom part, not the second row, but I'm going to go to the bottom just like that. And now what I'm going to do is style my items, and this is going to be a cute little stationery set. And how cute is this little pad with this cute little pen? And I'm going to add that to the second one, and then here's a few little index cards, and this is how my little stationery gift idea came out. Now I do love this. I think this will be useful in anyone's home, and I really like how this turned out. So adorable. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get things together so I can get started on my 4th gift idea for today. And for this DIY, I have this little wood tray from the Dollar Tree. I have this window clean here, and I'll be using some pieces off of that, and that's from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be painting the tray red. Now what I'm going to do is just add my little window clings, and I'll just be using the candy clings off of this, and I'm just going to add 3 of them. And then what I'm going to do is take the Mod Podge, and I will be going over this with a lot of Mod Podge because I want to make sure these clings stay on there, and I'm actually going to go all around this tray heavily with the Mod Podge because I want to get that glossy look around this tray because I think this is going to be cute as a candy dish later on. I'm going to style in this tray for a gift would be some of the candy that the Dollar Tree sell. Now the Dollar Tree sell the box candies, and they actually fit perfect in this tray. You can sit 4 in there, but I have 3, and I did have some gummy bears on hand, and I am going to add those as well as a few of the peppermints from the Dollar Tree. So all I'm going to do is just sit my candy inside of the tray, and then I'm just going to add the peppermints right to the side. And I think this is a cute little gift idea for the kids or for anyone. Everyone loves candy. And I'm just going to add the peppermints to the side. And I think this is so cute. I really like how this turned out. And you know, you can use this little tray for a candy dish later on. So adorable. I am happy with how this looked. And so now I'm going to get ready for the last gift idea for today. And what I'll be using for this is another one of those crates from the Dollar Tree, and I have 2 pieces of the rope. I will paint this using the antique wax color chalk paint. And now that I have that painted, I'm just going to add some glue to each end of this crate and just press the rope down by the ends, just trying to create a little handle look. And I am going to do that to both sides. And then what I'm going to do is take the leftover floral pieces from that Dollar Tree greenery floral pick, and I am going to add that to this tray. Now this is just going to be like a little soap gift idea. Now the Dollar Tree sells many soaps. I'm just going to use a soap that I had on hand, an extra soap that I purchased from Home Goods, but you can use any kind of hand soap for this DIY, and the Dollar Tree do sell hand soap. And as you can see, I'm just gluing my floral pieces right in the corner of this little crate, and this is really pretty. And I'm just going to add my little hand soap, and this DIY gift idea is complete. And here is how it turned out. I think this is so adorable, and you can use this little crate at a later date around your home. That's why I like creating these gift ideas. And here is a look how all of them turned out today. I think these gift ideas are so cute, and I love that you can reuse the trays and the baskets to still style in your home. So it's like you're getting a 2-in-1. Thank you all for watching another one of my videos. I hope you are inspired by some of these gift ideas. If so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. Let me know in the comment box below which one of these gift ideas were your favorite. And until next time, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.